Hello Mashin. Assalamu alaikum to Mashin and everyone else who's watching. मैं हूँ Ayesha Omer और ये है मेरी ख्वाबगाह, which means bedroom. सेल्फ केयर और अपना ख्याल करना, जिसमें अपनी स्किन, अपनी फिजिकल अपीयरेंस का ख्याल करना, अपनी इमोशनल, मेंटल हर स्टेट का ख्याल करना इज़ द बेस्ट फीलिंग एंड इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, क्योंकि कोई आपका ख्याल नहीं करेगा कि सिर्फ आप करेंगे. सो व्हेन आई कम होम आफ्टर वर्क आई इमीडिएटली चेंज माई क्लोथ्स. आप देख रहे हैं wearing my night suit. Then I start to take off my makeup and do my skincare nighttime routine. So let's start with me taking off my makeup. मेरा एक बहुत amazing makeup remover है, which is called Makeup Breakup. So this is made with coconut oil and it is a very gentle cleanser. You just put it on some cotton and place it on your skin for a few seconds. रबिंग ना करें तो अच्छा है. आई नो सबके अपने तरीके होते हैं मेकअप उतारने के, बट आई जस्ट फील लाइक थोड़ा पेशेंटली अगर आप कर लें एंड पुट इट ऑन योर स्किन फॉर 2 minutes ही. सो माई आई मेकअप इज कम्प्लीटली ऑफ एंड देन लेट्स डू द रेस्ट ऑफ द फेस. सो इन माई लाइन ऑफ वर्क यार, स्किन जो है ना उसके साथ बड़ी ज़्यादतियाँ हो रही होती हैं, ऑफ कोर्स, क्योंकि we have makeup on for like 14 hours, sometimes 20 hours. The longest time that my skin has been with makeup without a break in the middle is 48 hours. That's not normal. You know, different shoots पे different products are being used on our face, makeup products. और मुझे 3 दिन पहले एक makeup product से reaction भी हुआ, really bad. My skin broke out in tiny red little dots. This was a reaction to a product. So makeup utar gaya and the next step is now to wash the face. This face wash of mine, by the way, इसके अंदर है नीम, और नीम की अभी हम बात कर रहे थे. So it has neem extract, it has green tea extract and it has black seeds kalonji. And now it's time to wash it. Okay, just wash my face with water. अब थोड़ा सा टोनर लगा लेते हैं. वैसे टोनर I'll put after my mask. I'm also going to put a mask for you guys. This is a miracle mask and it's made of multani mitti, and I mix this mask with honey and water or rose water, whatever you want. We don't want skin to be extra dry, so we've put orange peel powder and orange oil. This is the consistency of the mask. See? Perfect. और ये usually I put it Saturday or Sunday evenings because this is like a once a week thing. This mask can be used in the morning because it tightens your pores, and at night. So I'm going to wait for about 15 minutes. आप 15-20 मिनट इसको लगे रहने दें, and then circular motions में gently rub करते हुए उतारना है. So अब मैंने अपना मास्क उतार लिया, dried my face. Now I'm going to spray some toner. So let it dry a little bit, and now I have my acne serum, spot control. मैं directly इसको अपने spots पे apply करूँगी. I told you I have a bit of a reaction these days. This is a spot treatment, guys. You can put it directly on your spots, and the rest of it I'm going to rub in my palms. So gentle, you can apply it all over the face. I'm just gonna apply it all over my face. That's it. Magical night serum. It's called Night Mode और इसके अंदर है lavender extract. इसके अंदर बहुत अच्छी calming properties हैं. Put a few drops in your palm and rub it. And then इसको आप inhale करें 3 times and it'll calm you down. Because lavender जो herb है वो एक calming herb है. So like while you're applying it to your face, you're breathing it in. You're doing 2 things together. This serum is actually my favorite product. I know I said that that's also my favorite, but this, if I had to pick one, I'd pick this. It's a magical night serum. And मैं इसको as an eye serum भी use करती हूँ. So I'll take a few, 2 drops maybe, and put it around my eye. Like this. Pat, pat, pat. So gentle कि ये आपके under eye area में भी use हो सकता है. And I'm using this finger, gentle finger with less strength. इसमें सबसे कम जान होती है इस उंगली में. इसलिए अपनी आँखों के अराउंड आप इस उंगली को यूज़ करें. Treat your face like a baby's face. Oof, it's called face food. This is my luxurious face cream. And ये बनी है rose extract है इसके अंदर. बहुत कुछ है. Rose hip है, platinum flakes हैं. If you go and research on platinum flakes, they're anti-aging and थोड़ा of course एक expensive ingredient है. और इसको you take a little bit of it, warm it in your palms like this, rub करें, and you can pat it. I don't rub, I pat. Nice and glowy at night, and this is it. I'm done. Oh wait, I have a lip moisturizer too. This is my delicious lip balm, and it's made with, I mean, a lot of delicious things. Chocolate, avocados, and shea butter, and cocoa butter. और इतने मज़े की है. And it smells so good that you will want to eat it, which is fine. मैं भी इसको of course खा लेती हूँ थोड़े से को. और ये बिल्कुल non-toxic है तो आप खा सकते हैं. And I'm done. Have a great evening.